Chase Freedom Flex Review. No annual fee, and 5% cash back in popular categories. Chase's newest cashback credit card does not disappoint with no annual fee. Bonus cashback earned in multiple categories, cell phone insurance, a generous welcome offer, and much more. Chase Freedom Flex benefits. As the newest cashback credit card from Chase, the Chase Freedom Flex comes with an impressive package of benefits and rewards. Rather than having a flat rate, Freedom Flex is a unique tiered, rotating category hybrid, offering 5% cashback on up to $1,500 in purchases made in rotating quarterly bonus categories. 5% cashback on travel, purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards. 3% cashback on dining and drugstore purchases. 1% unlimited cash back on other purchases. Plus, the card has a number of other perks, including Mastercard World Elite benefits, allowing cardholders access to no annual fee. Intro 0% APR on new purchases for the first 15 months, then 14.99% to 23.74% variable. Complimentary ShopRunner membership for free 2-day shipping from more than 100 online retailers. Complimentary 3-month DoorDash Dash Pass, followed by a 50% discount for the following 9 months. 5% cash back on Lyft rides through March 2022, plus a $10 credit for every 5 rides taken in a calendar month. 5% cash rewards on boxed purchases for use on future purchases. Double VIP Plus points at Fandango for movie ticket purchases. Additionally, the card comes with a valuable sign-up bonus and cell phone insurance. Additionally, the card comes with a valuable sign-up bonus and cell phone insurance. Chase Freedom Flex Sign-up Bonus. Chase Freedom Flex cardholders get not 1, but 2 bonuses when opening a new account. First, receive $200 cash back after spending $500 within the first 3 months of opening an account, and earn 5% cash back on up to $12,000 spent on grocery store purchases, excluding Target and Walmart, during the first year. As far as welcome bonuses go, that's one of the best around for a no annual fee credit card. Not only is the spending requirement low, but the bonus reward equals out to 40% cashback on the required purchases. Chase Freedom Flex Insurance. Cell phone insurance is another valuable perk offered by Chase Freedom Flex. Cardholders are insured for up to $800 per claim and $1,000 per year against covered theft or damage. There's a maximum of 2 claims per 12-month period, and each claim has a $50 deductible. To receive this coverage, cardholders simply need to pay their monthly wireless bill using the Freedom Flex card. Insurance coverage is automatically extended to phones listed on a bill's plan. Chase Freedom Flex foreign transaction fee and other potential downsides. While Chase Freedom Flex offers robust benefits and cashback offers, it's not perfect. For one thing, it comes with a foreign transaction fee. Although the Freedom Flex offers 5% cashback on travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards, it's not actually what we would consider a travel rewards card. As a result, it doesn't offer all the same perks as some travel cards, such as no foreign transaction fees, which is often waived with many true travel cards. The foreign transaction fee means this isn't a card you'd want to use while traveling overseas, and may be a better choice for everyday spending close to home. If you are looking for a travel card, consider the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, or the Chase Sapphire Reserve, which are considered premier cards in the category. Finally, if you are an existing Chase Freedom customer and request to change your card to the Freedom Flex, you won't be eligible for the $200 welcome cashback bonus or 5% on grocery store purchases. That offer is only available to cardholders opening a new account. Is Chase Freedom Flex replacing Chase Freedom? Chase will no longer accept applications for Chase Freedom, meaning the Chase Freedom Flex will be the only Chase option for new cardholders who want 5% cashback on rotating categories. However, Chase Freedom cashback offers and benefits will continue to be available to existing cardholders. The company says, people won't be forced to transfer their card to the new Freedom Flex, unless they want to make the switch.